Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to be analyzing the era token, which is era 7, to see the structure and the nature of this coin. On visiting the sites, you will notice that this coin is a gaming token, which it must be that if you play, you earn, you play, you earn. And first of all, I think you have to connect it to your wallet. I tried loading the game, trying to analyze and play the game and see how it looks. Here you have to register. Right, let me make it snappy. Alright. On coming to this page, I can see buy now, MasterCards, battle cards. But the surprising thing here is that I tried tapping or trying to move anything, tapping on any of them, they cannot be tapped. Nothing was happening. As you can see, I'm tapping next, tapping this or that, nothing's working. On the site there were other faces except from the first one. You can see play to earn, and except from play to earn, there is the buy now, and there are some items you can buy, and there is says here what era token, that's about the coin. And except from this particular page, you can also see what's got, that's play to earn, marketplace, summoning, and then synthesizing. That's after playing the marketplace, then you can also use the point to summon and also to synthesize. And over here you can see their objectives and their aims, and over here you can also see their partners. Viewing from this place, you can see that there are so many partners sponsoring this particular project. And coming here to the BSC scan, I can see that it has quite a good number of holders and also quite a good number of transfers. So in my opinion, I think this coin is actually legit, despite I couldn't see any faces behind the projects, but it seems good since people are still using it. But I still advise you make your own research.